Hey Belauras, welcome back to your go-to place for natural skincare hacks. Are you noticing fine lines, sunspots, or stubborn acne that won't go away? Or maybe your skin feels dull and you're searching for a natural way to bring back that youthful glow. If so, I've got the perfect natural retinol alternative for you. This DIY mask is anti-aging, brightening, and acne fighting. It's super easy to make, and the best part, it's completely natural. Plus, I'll share some pro tips to help you get the most out of it, so watch until the end. And before we jump in, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell so you never miss out on new skincare tips. Let's get glowing! Before we start, let's talk about the star ingredient that makes this mask so effective for anti-aging, brightening, and acne control. Carrot juice. Rich in beta-carotene and vitamin A, this converts into retinol, promoting cell turnover, collagen production, and reducing fine lines and wrinkles. Carrot reduces melanin production, helping to fade acne scars, sun damage, and pigmentation. It hydrates and revives dull skin because it contains potassium, which prevents dryness and gives your skin a plump, refreshed look. It fights acne naturally. The antibacterial properties of carrots help keep breakouts at bay, reducing redness and inflammation. Now, let's make this powerful mask. In a bowl, mix 1 teaspoon rice powder. Packed with antioxidants, it gently exfoliates, brightens skin, and fades dark spots and sun damage. 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. It helps tighten the skin, smooth fine lines, and absorb excess oil, making it great for both anti-aging and acne-prone skin. Gradually add fresh carrot juice and stir until you get a smooth, spreadable paste. If you have dry skin, you can add 1 teaspoon of honey and 1 teaspoon of milk powder for extra hydration. Et voila! Your mask is ready to use. Here's how to apply this mask for the best results. Start with a clean face to allow the ingredients to absorb properly. Apply the mask evenly using clean fingers or a brush, avoiding the eye and lip areas. Let it sit for 20 minutes until it dries completely. Then gently roll it off with your fingers in circular motions. This helps exfoliate and lift dead skin cells. Rinse your face with lukewarm water and pat dry gently. After using this mask, follow up with these key steps for the best results. Tone your skin. Spray rose water to tighten pores and refresh your skin. Check out my previous video on how to make homemade rose water linked above. Moisturize. Always lock in hydration with a lightweight moisturizer suited to your skin type. Apply sunscreen. Since this mask brightens and exfoliates, your skin will be more sensitive to the sun, so always wear SPF to protect your glow. And that's it, Belauras. Who knew that a simple natural mask could work like retinol? And without irritation. Whether you want to fade dark spots, smooth fine lines, or fight acne, this DIY is a must-try. If you tried this mask, let me know in the comments below how it worked for you. I'd love to hear your results. Want more natural anti-aging remedies? Check out my previous videos for more DIY skincare magic. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more natural skincare tips every week. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay glowing. Bye!